Before buying dark chocolate, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all dark chocolates are created equal, and hidden behind those shiny wrappers are some important details that could change your experience.
Product number 1, York Dark Chocolate Peppermint Patties. York Dark Chocolate Peppermint Patties caught my eye right away. With 175 pieces in a bulk box, this seasonal treat is perfect for indulging during Halloween or any festive occasion. If you want a refreshing minty kick with your dark chocolate, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk about what makes these patties special. Each one is individually wrapped, which is great for sharing or just treating yourself. The combination of cool peppermint and rich dark chocolate means your taste buds are in for a delightful surprise every time. The fact that it's gluten-free and kosher opens it up for a wider audience, so no one has to miss out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a guilt-free indulgence, these patties pack in the flavor without the heavy calories typically associated with chocolate. It's perfect for movie nights or as a sweet addition to party dessert tables. However, some people mention that the peppermint flavor can be overwhelming. Here's the thing though, if you love mint, that's a bonus. But if you prefer a subtler chocolate experience, these might not hit the mark for you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy bold flavors and festive treats. Skip this one if you're not a fan of minty chocolate, but honestly, at such a great price, it's worth giving it a shot for the fun factor alone. Now, if that minty flavor wasn't your thing, let's switch gears to something a bit more nutty with our next product.
Product number 2, Blue Diamond Almonds Dark Chocolate. This 40-ounce bag of oven-roasted almonds is a great snack option, especially if you're on the go. It's perfect for lunch boxes or quick snacks when you need a boost. If you want a crunchy treat that's healthier than regular candy, this is worth a serious look. These almonds are coated with real cocoa powder, giving them a satisfying chocolate flavor without all the guilt. They're high in protein and fiber, making them a great choice to keep you full longer. Plus, with no cholesterol or trans fats, you can enjoy them without worrying about your health. This matters for you if you're trying to snack smarter, but still want something indulgent. However, a few reviews pointed out that some people found the chocolate coating to be a bit light. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're expecting a thick layer of chocolate, you might be disappointed. But if you enjoy a hint of chocolate over a nutty flavor, this will be right up your alley. This is perfect for you if you need a portable snack that's both delicious and nutritious. Skip this one if you want something purely chocolatey, because the nut flavor is definitely front and center. But for the price, you're getting a great value for a healthy treat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who enjoy cookies.
Product number 3, Pepperidge Farm Milano Double Dark Chocolate Cookies. We have the Pepperidge Farm Milano Double Dark Chocolate Cookies. This 7.5-ounce bag contains 15 cookies that are just begging to be paired with your afternoon tea or after-dinner wine. If you crave a luxurious chocolate experience, this is worth a serious look. These cookies boast twice the dark chocolate of the original, which means every bite is rich and indulgent. They're not just tasty, they're also a delight for the eyes, making them great for sharing at gatherings or even special occasions. Imagine serving these at a dinner party. They'll definitely elevate the moment. This matters for you if you want to truly indulge in something special without having to bake. On the downside, some folks find them a bit too sweet. Now, here's the deal. If you're a die-hard dark chocolate lover who prefers a more intense flavor, these cookies might not fully satisfy your cravings. But if you enjoy a balance, they might just hit the sweet spot. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant dessert to impress guests. Skip this if you prefer your chocolate without any sweetness, because these cookies do have a sugary twist. But they're super affordable, especially for the quality you get. If you love the idea of cookies but want a different texture, let's move on to something more versatile.
Product number 4, D'Addario EJ27N Student Strings. The D'Addario EJ27N Student Nylon Strings at $7.99, the most affordable on this list. These are designed for beginners, with normal tension to ease finger pain. Over 500 sold last month, so they're a quiet favorite among new players. D'Addario markets these as ideal for learning, and they deliver decent tone for the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out, you don't need pro-level strings. These give you clear, consistent sound without breaking the bank. They're reliable, easy to install, and won't strain your fingers. Now, some people said they sound a bit thin compared to more expensive sets. Here's the thing though, that's expected at this price. They're not rich or complex, but they're perfectly functional. This is perfect for you if you're buying your first guitar or replacing strings on a budget. Skip this one if you're an advanced player. You'll want more tonal depth. But for students, it's a smart, no-frills choice.
Product number 5, Ferrero Rocher Limited Edition Gift Pack. This is a whopping collection of 48 pieces, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. If you want to impress someone special or indulge yourself, this is worth a serious look. Ferrero Rocher is known for its exquisite quality, featuring a whole roasted hazelnut at the center, surrounded by smooth chocolate and a crispy wafer shell. This multi-layer is perfect for celebrations or just to enjoy with friends over coffee. It's shareable, making it perfect for parties. This matters for you if you want something that feels luxurious without breaking the bank. On the downside, some reviews noted that the packaging feels a bit cheap for a premium product. Now, here's the thing. While the outer box may not wow you, the chocolates inside are what really matter, and they deliver on taste and experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking to make a great impression with a thoughtful gift. Skip this if you're looking for something more unique, as these are quite popular. But at this price, you're getting a classic treat that's hard to beat.
So, there you have it. We've explored 5 incredible dark chocolates, from York's refreshing peppermint patties to Blue Diamond's protein-packed almonds, the indulgent Milano cookies, Calabat's premium baking chocolate, and the shareable luxury of Ferrero Rocher. Each has its unique charm, so it really comes down to what you're craving. Whether you want something to share, snack on, or bake with, there's a perfect option here for everyone. Happy chocolate hunting!